Meaning of Dorothy Hodgkin.
Dorothy Hodgkin.
Dorothy Hodgkin.
Dorothy Hodgkin.
Dorothy Hodgkin. Dorothy Hodgkin was a British scholar and scientist who made significant contributions to the field of X-ray crystallography. She is best known for her development of the method of X-ray crystallography, which enabled scientists to determine the three-dimensional structures of molecules. Her work led to the discovery of the structures of several important biomolecules, including insulin and vitamin B12. For her contributions to science, Hodgkin was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1964. Her work continues to have a profound impact on the field of molecular biology.